Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am opening the December 2020 SCT Sampler. This will be the last one for this year, and it comes with a Christmas-themed set of ephemera, papers, stickers, and I'll show you here. We have a Doodlebug collection, so the theme is be so happy that when others look at you, they become happy too. Oh, I love that. I really love that. So, Night Before Christmas collection from Doodlebug Design is what we have here, which is always the cutest products. Some fun tags and a doodle pop. And then a whole pile of fun little things to embellish with. And I'll just pour these into my hands. You can see there's a bunch of silver hearts and arrows and little gumdrops and fun things. So that's great. All kinds of little pieces. Here we have some beautiful papers. So colorful and pretty. I love these colors for Christmas. The pinks, the greens, the blues. Cute little gingerbread with a stripe on the back. Merry Christmas. Ooh, I like that polka dot. And then we lend over to the Close to My Heart patterned paper. And again with the pink and the green, a little different. Ooh, I like this paper a lot here. Oh, I love these trees. That's fun. And then some plain cardstock, and I'm pretty sure there's some other plain cardstock down here as well. 3 pieces like that. Ooh, these are stickers. Those are magical memories. So much. Wow. Cheer and holiday. So this one's a bit thicker than the other two. These ones are not stickers. These are like a chipboard consistency, and they're not adhesive on the back. So this is from Compliments. Oh, what fun, from Close to My Heart. But these I do believe are actual stickers. Yeah. Fun. And then we also get this really fun alphabet and a set of Gina K Designs word stamps, which I always appreciate word stamps because I find them very versatile. And then just some cute little accent stamps, and this fun little heart one there too is cute. Okay, so that's everything that came in this month's collection. So let's see what we can make with it. Okay, so I decided to make a banner. I just took the SCT Sampler and these 2 dies from In Love Art Shop, which were part of a whole nesting set. But I just used these 2 to create the pages for this banner. And I can show you how it all comes together here. So I just cut out 1 background piece from each of the 6x6 papers, and this is perfect because you have the exact right size to roll through your cutter. And then what I did was I punched holes in the edges and I strung a ribbon through. I did tie the ends. You could do it whichever way you like, but I tied the ends like this. And then I can show you through a close-up of each one of the banners. So I used my doodle pop and I layered up some of the tag and ephemera and little chipboard bits and stickers. I put a little bow on here with a fun little charm, and then I finished it off with some little dots there. This one here says Merry Holiday. I used some of the chipboard stickers as well as the regular stickers. I popped everything up on pop dots. And this one here has a set of 2 charms, a candy cane and a snowflake. Again, I popped up some of these pieces. So I punched out one of the stickers and one of the chipboard. I layered those together and put it on some pop dots. I did 2 layers here, popped up this tag, and you can see the very pretty detailing of stitching and scallop around the edge. So you can see I've combined both the collections from Close to My Heart and from Doodlebug to create these fun banner pieces. And I tried to coordinate them all together so that it was a good sort of variation. So you had a little bit of pink and a little bit of blue. So I tried to tie in like some blue and greens here, some red and pinks here, and then the all little pieces of each so that it looked uniform together. And now I've created a fun little banner. This is going to be a Christmas gift, so I'll have to post this after Christmas. But I had a lot of fun making this. And again, just everything I needed for this one project right here in my sampler. The only things that I had to bring in myself were some of these foam adhesive sheets that I get from Michael's. They look like this, and I just cut them down. I used white for this one. I brought in some thread and some charms and some enamel dots, but otherwise everything else came in this sampler. So I'm excited to see what January brings, and look forward to creating something new and exciting with it. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.